Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my voice, please like and subscribe. I'm Fergie. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. So today's menu, guys, let's jump over to the recipe. I'll be making some seafood lasagna. Here is my lasagna already cooked. I cooked my lasagna noodle for 8 minutes. And this is my shrimp, my fish, and shallots and garlic. And over here, this is my Gruyere cheese with Parmesan cheese. I'll be going in with some spray, my olive oil, also some cream cheese, garlic powder, fish seasoning, and I'll be using some classic marinara sauce with a touch of my Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. So this is my ingredients for today. So guys, with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm gonna have 2 small heads of diced garlic. Guys, after a minute, I'm gonna add my shallots. So this is 2 small shallots. And I'm just gonna saute this for like 2 to 3 minutes the most. So guys, after 3 minutes, just until your shallots are a little bit soft, I'm gonna add my marinara sauce. And to this, guys, I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. And this is optional. Now guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt to my seafood. You can use your fish fillet of choice. To this, I'm gonna add some fish seasoning, Jamaican fish seasoning. Make sure you get enough seasoning in your seafood bowl. And to this, I'm gonna add some garlic, some granulated garlic, guys. So guys, with a block of cream cheese, I'm adding some Parmesan cheese to it. And crumble it up. So guys, with my oven set at 350, I'm gonna grease my lasagna dish. When your sauce is nice and cool, I'm gonna add my sauce. Guys, I'm ending it with some cheese. remember the oven is set at 350. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for like 20 minutes. And then I'll see you guys next. All right? Okay guys, so I'm uncovering my lasagna and put a little bit more cheese on the top. So this was after 20 minutes in the oven. And now I'm gonna put it back in for another 10 minutes uncovered. All right, and I'll see you guys then. So guys, we're at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present my delicious, when I say delicious, I mean delicious seafood lasagna. Guys, it is still hot. So good, guys. And by the way, the shrimp was already cooked. All right, but there you have it, Fergie's seafood lasagna. Enjoy, and please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.